everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to talk about what's on my travel makeup bag. So if you are curious what you can take with you while traveling and what you can skip and what you can actually use, please go ahead and keep on watching. So this is my travel makeup bag. It's like a small bag. It does have a handle, so it's more like a purse. It opens up like a vanity makeup bag, and these are all the products I have inside. I will go one by one through them. So I try to take as many minis I can with me. So the first one I have is the Becca First Light Priming Filter Primer, which is a travel size. It has 15 mils, and this is a luminizing primer, which is really good if you go traveling. Next, for foundation, I am taking a lightweight but as well as a resistant foundation, and the one I like right now it's the Catrice All Matte foundation. That's what I'm taking when I'm traveling. And for concealer I am taking the Revolution Conceal and Define. It's a pretty small size, it has like 4 grams, so yeah, it's really good. For powder as well, I am taking a more mini size powder, and I have the Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder, which is this one in here. This one has 4 grams as well, so it's enough powder to take with you on your holidays. For bronzer, highlight and blush, I recommend taking a small palette. Like I have this one from Sleek. It's the Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette. Mine is in the shade Light, and you do have a contour shade, a highlight shade and a blush as well. I have 3 products in one, which is really good. For eyeshadow, now you might want a light natural eyeshadow look one day and maybe a darker one on other days. So what I'm usually taking with me is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions. You do have some lighter colors that you can achieve like a more natural look, but you do have some darker colors as well. For eyebrows, I do suggest taking like an eyebrow pencil and an eyebrow gel. I am still testing the e.l.f. what's it called, brow pencil, and I am taking usually I'm taking my favorite gel mascara, which is the Essence Make Me Brow, which is a really good dupe for the Benefit Give Me Brow. Then for mascara, again I'm trying to bring a mini if I have, and of course I'm taking my eyelash curler. And for mascara I have this, I never know how to pronounce this, it's Douce, well, it's Punk Volumizer Mascara, and it's a mini travel size, which has 6 mils, yeah, 6 mils. And then for lips I am taking 2 lipsticks and 2 lip liners. First I'm taking a nude lip liner, and my favorite one is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk, which is this one in here, and a matching lipstick like this, a nude lipstick, and this one is from Makeup Revolution and it's in the shade Embrace. And then I am taking a red lipstick as well, because you never know, you might need it. And for eyeliner, for lip liner, I'm taking this MAC lip liner, and it's in the shade Red. And a matching lipstick that I'm taking, it's this Avon lipstick, and it's in the shade Power Trip. And that's what I'm taking for makeup. Brush wise, I am only taking my essential brushes and of course my beauty sponge. And for face brushes, I am taking a bronzer brush, a highlighting brush, a blush brush. I am not using a powder brush because I'm applying powder with my beauty sponge. And then for eye brushes, I have 6 brushes. And are these ones in here. It's a mix. I have like 3 blending brushes, like bigger one, more tapered one, and a smaller blending brush. I have a pencil brush and 2 flat brushes, and this should be enough to make any eye look you want. And this is what's in my travel makeup bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Mwah! Bye!